There's the riders stretching off. Green light goes on and we're underway. It is Madison with the lead. Harding in the second spot. With the lead. Harding in the second spot. Surrett right there in third. Peterson in fourth. Surrett with the pass on the inside. Trying to hold on to the second spot. Drifting up the track. It's Surrett up in the second. Harding right now back to third and Peterson right there in fourth. Contact on the inside once again. Harding into the back end of Surrett. Surrett throws it in reverse. Peterson gets on past Harding having a strong inside. Now he is back underway. Peterson now up in the second spot. Surrett riding in third. All alone out in front. Now that is the 212 of Henderson. Henderson riding in the second position. Surrett hitting hard from third. Fourth position to 77 Smith, and we're back into fifth is Harding. White flag is in the air for your leader.